In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with SSL on Squarespace. If you're ready, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Squarespace in your preferred web browser. Once you have the website loaded, make sure that you're logged into your Squarespace account. Having access to your account is crucial for making these security changes, so if you haven't logged in yet, you should do so now. Now that you're on the homepage of your Squarespace dashboard, it's time to take a closer look at the options available to you. Look for the menu option labeled Settings. It's typically situated on the main dashboard, and clicking it will take you into a new set of options related to your site's configuration. Once inside the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a selection labeled Developer Tools. Selecting Developer Tools will open up more technical settings you can configure to fit your needs better. This step is important because it leads you directly to where we'll be handling the SSL configuration. After opening Developer Tools, you'll see the option labeled SSL. Click on it, and now you should be inside the SSL page. Here, you're going to make an important adjustment, one that's often noted for enhancing the security of your site, enabling the secure HTTP Strict Transport Security, or HSTS. This option is considered the most secure choice available on Squarespace for handling SSL. Clicking to enable HSTS adds an additional layer of protection to your website by ensuring that all communication between your users and your site happens over the secure HTTPS protocol. When this setting is enabled, it guarantees that even if someone attempts to go to an insecure version of your site, they'll be automatically redirected to the secure version. Beyond the peace of mind that comes with knowing your site is secure, this setting also affects the checkout experience for your customers. By employing these stringent SSL settings, your customers will always see your custom domain reflected during their checkout process, rather than a generic or insecure URL. This consistency reinforces trust and ensures that they associate their entire shopping journey with your specific brand. On the other hand, if you were to use an insecure setting, customers might see a basic URL during checkout, which can sometimes cause confusion or concern. So always ensure you have configured these SSL settings correctly for a seamless and secure online presence. And there you have it. You've successfully configured SSL on your Squarespace site, optimizing both security and the user experience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building and protecting your digital space.